potash. When I was in Utah, I used to see the potash mines along the Colorado River. They're brilliant. They have all kinds of different colors of them. They're really intense. I like some of the smaller writings that are on these tank cars too. Wow. That was an interesting thing. I gotta read that. It's pretty quiet. I'm like 60, 70 feet away. My God, that looked like a bunch of soil in that open container car. There's some nice colors in that. Tour lock. Let's take a peek down that line here. Tankers. Mine detergent. What? Thor, EMR. I don't think they meant electronic medical records. Hey, the end. A Dre plain box. All right, there we go.